Hey, Kyle here, AA0Z. A few things for you. One, if you're coming to the Huntsville Hamfest here in a couple of weeks, the YouTubers are going to be putting on a lunch at the John Scoble Pavilion Friday, August 16th. That's the Friday before the Hamfest. We're going to be there all day. We're going to get there about 8 a.m., do a bunch of pota, and then we're going to cook probably about 11. Lunch will be served at noon. Bring a side. Water will be provided. If you don't want water, you can bring your own. We're also going to be taking donations. Anything that is above and beyond to cover the costs for lunch, we're going to donate to Steve Goodgame's Teachers Institute at the ARRL. So if you want to donate something for the cause, please do so. The link will be in the description below. And also the link to the pavilion will be in the description below. So if you want to come on out. It was a good time last year, and we ate lunch, and we also had enough food for dinner. So it's going to be an all-day affair, so come out and hang out. Also, I have stickers. If you want a sticker, please come see me, and I'll be handing these out at the Huntsville Hamfest. And also, if you are going to come to the dinner and you're going to eat, please put a comment in below so we can get a head count on how many hamburgers and brats and hot dogs to fix and to cook, so you're not left out. So please put a comment below with the number of people that you're going to bring, and then we will figure it out from there. So anyway, John Scoble Pavilion, Friday before Huntsville Hamfest. About, if you want to get there, early in the morning, we'll be there. We'll be doing pota, and that is it. So thanks all. Appreciate it. Like and subscribe to the channel, and more ham radio content coming soon.